Hello everybody, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. This one going to show you how to place text on any surface like I've done here at the top. Let's start from scratch. Okay, so I'm going to delete that. Here we go. We've got some text. I've got it on the wall, but I want it to conform to the wall. How do you do it? Very simple. The first step is you want to make sure you're selected on the text layer. Go to edit, and then we're going to go to the perspective warp. When we do that, it says you want to rasterize the layer. Rasterize it. Now draw a box around half of the text. So for example, this one here, I'm going to perspectivize it for this left side, and then I'm going to draw another box, and I'm going to go around on the right side here. It doesn't have to be perfect, but as good as you can. Something like that. Okay, good stuff. When you're done that, you're going to get the option to go to the warp up here at the top left. As you can see, click on warp, and then presto. We can now move these lines. So I'm going to move these lines so that they're equal. So I'm just going to show you what I'm talking about here. So you see here at the bottom line, this point and this point, they follow a straight line, pretty close. There we go. They're following along that line. This one here is going to follow along that line plus a little bit. And then the same goes for the right side here. I'm going to go nice and quick, something like that along the line. And then this one here along the line. When you've got it right, click on that check mark. Presto, you've done it. Thanks for watching.